Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are tying a turban style, or should we say scarf style, but we're going to be using two different materials so that you can see how it will come out in using both material. The first material I have the normal regular jersey scarf, right? Very stretchable. If you don't have a jersey scarf, you can try a lycra material. Both stretch or stretches. Aha. So something like this. So we are going to use this, and we're going to use the normal scarf that is not stretchable for this particular style. So this one is not stretchable, but it's also a scarf material. So we're going to be trying this one style with two, and we're going to see the one that suits us best. So we're going to go now. What we need right here is just this cutout carton. You're going to use it to measure the front part of your head, like you want to do a Zara cap, like this. This is what you're going to measure out, right? Then you get any of this material, either a stretchable one or the regular scarf that is not stretchable. Do you get this is scarf? And first of all, I'm going to make sure I have a long braids. So I'm going to pack this my hair. I'm going to bond it with a rubber band or hair band. So here's my hair band, and I'm going to bond this here right now. So let's do that together. So if you have a bulky hair like this, definitely you have to grab hair band or rubber band to pack it up like this. And if you don't have a braided hair, that means you need an extra cap and maybe extra scarf to make your hair bulky at the back. This really adds beauty to this particular style. So I have my braids on, so I don't need any other extra cap or scarf before I tie this. So I'm just going to get my hair packed. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get it packed like this, very bulky. I'm going to get it packed like this, and this is what I have at the back. Do you see? So you definitely need to have this either with your hair or a scarf and a cap. You know what I'm talking about, so don't let me go too far. So this is the first material I'll be using for this style, and I'll just do it right, normal way to tie my scarf, right? So I'll just put it up here. So I want to fold a bit in, right? Then not. This thing is disturbing me. Let me get it removed. Now that my earring is removed, I can easily do what I want to do. So I'm just going to come like this, and I'm giving it a knot. I will not. Right? Make it firm, but not too firm. Okay? So this is it. And I have the two flaps. So I'm going to go for this flap in creating what I want to create. I'm going to stretch it out gently like this. Then we dip this in. Let me adjust my tripod. So guys, I believe you can see now. I just adjusted my tripod. So we're going to stretch this out like this neatly, and this will be dipped in. Right? Then we're going to roll this to it. We're going to roll it like this. Okay? So we're going to bring it to our head. So this is done like this already. I'm going to place it like this. Do you guys see? We're going to place. And this comes like this, then I knot. After knotting, this is what we have at the front, like this. Okay, so we have only this part left, this only one, which either you twist or you just wrap it like this. So I prefer to go like this, or we can also try out the twisted one and see which one you prefer. So just dip in like this, And this is superb. So you have it like this, done like this, and the back like this. So if you don't want the back, remove it and twist it. Right, guys, you can twist it like this instead of just take it around and secure the excess neatly. So we have the back like this, and we have the front like this. My herring, here's me after wearing my earring, and this is what we have, guys. And this is nice. So this is the style. I think it's nice enough. So I don't know, you can rock it out like this, or we can add a bow to beautify it if we so wish. But I just think it's even nice like this without adding anything. It's nice. You can either put it right or left, or middle or center, if you like. Which do you prefer, here, or we should change it here? I prefer this place to this place. So in short, this is what we have. Here's the other material, and it's still same process. You're going to fold a bit in, then we place on our head. To place on your head, take it to the base and knots. So we knots, okay. We have the two flaps. Pull it in at the, what's it called? How big your material? I think I'm good. So I'm using. So here you see that this one is not stretching, but I managed to knot it. I'm going to twist. I'm just going to neatly. This it. You have to adjust. The final outlook for the other material, and let me know in the comments which one do you prefer to use when you want to try your own house. Try your own house, and what color will you love? Is it the purple one or this red one? Which one? So I decided to add my brochure, and here's the final outcome. So guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video, like, drop a nice comment. Until then,